In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Swissquote in Tradingview. To follow along, make sure you already have a Tradingview account and that your Swissquote trading account is active and ready to use. You don't need any special setup beyond that, just your usual login details. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into the browser bar and hit enter. Once the home page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Tradingview account. If you're not, log in with your usual credentials so that any connections you make will be saved to your profile. Next, from the main Tradingview interface, look for the charting section often labeled as Supercharts. This is where you'll see full-featured charts and tools. Click on Supercharts to open the advanced charting window. This is important because the broker connection options live inside this charting environment, not on the basic homepage. Once your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for a tab or button called Trading Panel. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the available brokers and paper trading options you can connect to. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. If it's collapsed, clicking it will expand a new area at the bottom showing different broker tiles. Inside the Trading Panel, you might see just a few options at first. To see the full list of supported brokers, find and click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This expands the selection so you're not limited to only the most popular or recently used options. It's a simple step, but it ensures Swissquote shows up if it's supported in your region. After you've expanded the list, use the search bar within the trading panel to look for Swissquote. Start typing the name slowly, and Tradingview should filter the results as you type. When you see Swissquote appear in the list, you're in the right place. Now, click on the Swissquote option to begin connecting. Tradingview will open a login window or redirect you securely so you can enter your Swissquote credentials. Carefully type in your details, confirm any security prompts, and authorize the connection. Once the connection is successful, you'll be able to place trades directly from your Tradingview charts using your Swissquote account, monitor positions, and manage orders without switching platforms. And that's all you need to connect Swissquote in Tradingview.